Luckily today, we live in a time where technology plays a huge role in our lives. There's a lot of different softwares out there that you can use literally just by hopping on Google and typing in measure my roof to get accurate measurements. However, there are certain things satellite imagery can't always catch due to shade or blockage or certain locations in the part of the world. If that is the case, I don't suggest for you to go on your roof, especially if you have a very high slope. It's not the safest thing to do. When you hire a roofer, they have their insurances, they have their workers' comp in place, so you can have, ease of mind making sure that if anybody falls off your roof, you're covered. In the situation you must go on your roof though, to get measurements, you would measure it just like you would measure anything else in the home square footage wise. So what you would do is you would start off at the top of the ridge, you would measure all the way down to the end of the eave or wherever your roof ends. Then you would measure from one side of the ridge to the other side of the ridge. That would give you one entire section, and you would pretty much do the same exact thing for every section across your roof. A lot of homeowners think that having a 2,000 square foot home or a 3,000 square foot home automatically means that they have the exact same square footage on the roof. That is almost never the case, as your roof square footage usually has a slope, and we measure down to the eaves, which is not part of the interior of the home. Also, you do have walls in the interior of the home. So when you're measuring living space, it's almost completely different than what the roof space is. A home's roof square footage, just to get some sort of an idea, is at the very minimum approximately 15% more than the living square footage. In some cases, it can be even 50% or more, depending on the slope size and depending on how much exterior roofing they have that's not included in part of the home.